feel like a rock star.
All right,
You are a rock star.
these guys smoked the rear tire. I don't know, it looks okay.
You got that one? Same wheel? Hold that. Yeah, we're gonna go same wheel. Okay. Are you doing tubeless tube? Cam, let me borrow your front. Tube? Where's the tube? It's in the tire right now. Okay. Hey, babe? Yeah? You have your light, your phone? How much is my light?
Tactical tire change. So this is their backup bike, so yeah, they didn't really expect to ride this bike, so.
Got something knocked out. I got it.
Ah, wheels off. I'm gonna throw it on the Rabiconda over there.
Check front brake pads.
Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, the left tread is gone. It's all belts.
Soapy water. It's right there to your left. A little bit? Okay. Yeah, we took all the air out. We pulled the valve cord. Yeah, while we were pulling the axle, yeah. Hey babe, can you fix that?
They're having trouble breaking the bead. Almost.
So what kind of pad do we have? Look at that tire. Here's your camera.
Yeah, push down on it while you're, yeah, there you go. There you go, you got it. Alright, you're gonna Rabiconda in action. Is this tubeless?
No, this is good, son.
Don't pinch it. It's like Virginia City Grand Prix. Might be able to just push it right off.
Did you notice it? Cam? Is the tube out of the way? Yeah. You were feeling it? Oh, yeah. Yeah, because there was no rubber. You were just sliding on cords.
That's what happens when you got these really fast guys, man. They chew these tires up. It's a 150R, and that thing is a, you know, little mini monster.
Put a sprocket down. Sprocket down.
Man, they probably should just swap bikes.
You know what?
That's my guess.
What happened? You have mayhem?
Look at that tire.
Oh, it's done.
get that. Spray some lube on it.
We don't have another tube, do we? We don't. So, just be patient. Be patient. It's gonna be worth it. How you guys doing? You guys doing pretty good?
Okay, they got one side on. Hopefully they can get the tube in there. They didn't even take the tube out. They just left it attached. Now they have to be very careful not to pinch a tube. But it's a big tire, so the chances of them pitching the tube is not very likely. You never know.
Just a touch in there, yeah. Oh, I need the valve core on the table right there. You got a tool? Yep. I got light. Mike's fuel? They would have laughed. That's what I think you were thinking. There you go.
Just a little bit of air so they don't pinch the tube.
That
gives it
yeah. How was it doing out there? Not good.
As long as he doesn't take too big of bites, he won't pinch the tube. So.
Why is it like blowing tires? Yeah, get that whole list.
Oh, that poor sprocket, man. I'm surprised we don't got a tire guy here. We need Jeff out here.
Radlich? Get ourselves a Radlich.
Yeah. You just gotta take little bites. Take little bites. There you go.
Yes.
And they're trying to keep the bead on off of the thing down there.
Yeah.
So
No, not more.
the tire looks pretty soft though. It's pretty it's well behaved, I'll say.
18th, I'll be down at Willow's
Okay, they got it on. Now they just gotta seat the bead.
No, I'm gonna just do a couple rides. Got some development to do. Go with the flow.
Okay, it's gonna pop hopefully. I know there's 75 PSI in that tank because I filled it up myself.
I have a crazy job.
Oh, there we go.
Right. Awesome.
Do you need a tire pressure gauge?
Yeah. Yes, please.
It is.
I got it.
Oh, he's got it.
What do we want?
What are we running?
Put 26 in it.
Or no, 26.
PSI. What PSI? 26 cold. 26 cold. 28 hot. 26.
Put 26 PSI.
Or actually, let's go 24.
24.
They want to run it kind of low tire pressure because it's really cold out right now.
Good.
What are we at time right now? 6?
Been down 6 minutes?
Okay, the B. I've got 10 minutes since you guys started on my video. Alright, they're going to put the wheel back on. It looks like it's not leaking or anything.
we have the chain in the right spot?
We got Dr. Farr here getting ready to go out in this on this bike. Hopefully they can get the tires scrubbed in.
Get in. Not going. Hammer? Got it.
Alright, axle's through. You just gotta get the nut on there and then they're good to go.
Kick it forward.
We're at the 11-minute mark.
Hey, get out of here. We're good.
Yeah, you definitely don't want to take off with the tire warmer on there.
Cam, can we put it back on the rear this way?
All right, tire change accomplished. Now they're gonna go head out. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo! There he goes. Nice. Okay, there you go, guys. That was the B-Team tire change.